Local 36.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jasper County in southeast Texas, Newton County in southeast Texas, southeastern Tyler County in southeast Texas, northwestern Beauregard Parish in southwest Louisiana, western Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:48 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour from 14 miles west of Toledo Bend down to 6 miles south of Jasper, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Roganville, Thayersville, Trout Creek, Jamestown, Mayflower, Bivens, Stringtown, Burr Ferry, Hornbeck, Junction, New Lano, and Kirthwood. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and heavy rain. Stay indoors, away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday evening for southwestern Louisiana and southeast Texas. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service at 337-477-5285 extension 1.
Our forecast from the National Weather Service. The extended forecast. Special regional information. The forecast.